Greetings and welcome to the Lilly Lectures, where we explore the pages of my book, Christian Astrology. I am your guide, William Lilly, and today we are concentrating on the sixth house, traditionally associated with sickness, to explore a key aspect of medical astrology. What part of the body may be afflicted and what needs to be considered to find out the disease. You can find a table on page 119 in my book or on page 72 of Christian Astrology for the 21st century for information regarding diseases and planets. Now, if the first house is afflicted by the presence of a malefic planet and is retrograde, combust, peregrine, slow in motion, or in square or opposition to any planet who is the lord of the 4th, 6th, 8th, or 12th, the disease is in the head or in those parts of the body which the planet or planets signify in the sign ascending. For example, if the sign ascending is Cancer and Saturn is therein, you may judge that the sick party is afflicted in the head or with diseases related to the head because the first house represents the head in man's body, and it is now afflicted by the presence of Saturn in that house. You can also judge that the sick person is experiencing stomach problems, such as diarrhea or issues with the kidneys or reproductive organs, or is troubled by stomach discomfort if Saturn in Cancer signifies those members, or else with some persistent cough. Your judgment in this matter will be more certain, and I dare say infallible, if either the Lord of the Ascendant, the Moon, or the Lord of the Sixth is in a sign, and signifies the body part that Saturn does, or if the sign of the sixth represents that part. The same approach I have directed in the ascendant should be observed in the sixth house. That is, the sign of the sixth, the planet or planets placed there, what part of a man's body they represent in the sign where they are positioned, from whom the Lord of the sixth last separated, and to whom he next applies. Additionally, closely examine the sign and house where the moon is located, as well as the planets she is separating from and applying to. This allows you to determine which part of the body is afflicted for the sick person, the nature and quality of the illness, and which humour, choleric, melancholic, sanguine, phlegmatic, is most imbalanced and contributing to the sickness. By considering these astrological principles, we can gain valuable insights into the specific health concerns of an individual, allowing us to offer guidance and support to promote their well-being. That wraps up today's lecture and the influence of planetary positions on the human body. I hope you found this information fascinating and useful. Join me for more discussions on horary astrology, its applications, and its enduring relevance in understanding our lives. Until next time, I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.